welcome to another vlog. We're currently at the Target parking lot because there's some things that we need to buy. For example, my dog pooped on her kitchen mat. It's just really hard to get it out, so we're gonna have to buy a new kitchen mat. And yesterday I accidentally put some dark denim in my laundry load, so I ruined a lot of my white pieces, so I need to get bleach and I'm gonna take you with me. If you're wondering if Target lets dogs in, it doesn't, but we put this little emotional support vest on Ollie, and that's how we managed to get him into places. We are back. Look at Ollie in that little corner. We're back from Target. As you saw from the last clip, it was super crowded and it was a little stressful. I wish I could have filmed more, but honestly there's people everywhere, and I tried to like set up the camera on the shelves and try to film, but then people were walking all the time and I knew they're gonna like either look or say something because there's a camera literally like in front of them, and obviously I don't have the permission to film. So yeah, so we're back home. It's cleaning day today because I haven't been home for the past 2 weekends actually, so you would imagine what a mess my house is, and you guys know I love to have everything super clean. So we're gonna tackle that for the next 2 hours. There's so many things we need to clean. I wanted to show you super quickly that I finally made my shoes look cute. This is probably gonna last a week anyway, but this is the stuff that I've been purchasing for fall, up to like this fussy jacket. It is sort of like my fall haul, which I actually plan on filming. I think it'd be like a fun thing to show you guys. I can already tell there's like a little pattern going on of like different shades of white and brown, so I'm very excited for fall wardrobe. We got a very clean apartment. This is our living room. Actually, let me do a mini apartment tour. This is the living room. We got a big couch and then coffee table. This right here is our little bar cart, some grabs that some of you might have seen me get on Instagram stories from the street. It was fun. Ask Chase, he really enjoyed it. Stuff. And this is a very important piece. Chase made a little home decor contribution to our apartment. Over here we have our kitchen, little dining table. That's my special cabinet. It's full of candy. We got Mexican candy, Japanese candy, American candy, and like my hot sauce obviously. And salsa, ojo Maggi, obviously. Chipotle mayo from Mexico because nothing tastes better. Some little corn soup from Mexico too. This is the happiest plant in our entire house. Our plants actually hate us. Let me show you back here. Every plant in this house hates us. We got a little coffee machine. I highly recommend that you invest in an espresso machine. It's really good. And if you look really close right there, you're gonna be able to see Chase. Stop, that's an ugly thing. It's Chase's, not mine. So we have our kitchen. That's it. Over here, you have seen this, but this is our bedroom, and these are stuff that we need to put away, so don't look at that. Bedroom, you know this place. I've showed you plenty of times what a bedroom looks like. Can I show them your closet? I basically made him take over this closet because I need room for my stuff. And then here we have the bathroom. Pretty simple. Just like a lot of towels. We got Chase's wetsuit, so it's ugly. You don't have to look at that. That's my skincare stuff, which I just did a skincare video, so watch it if you haven't. Stop it, don't show the toilet. Ew. That's it. Let's go get some burgers. Let's go get some burgers. Whoa. Go get. We just took a nap. Today we have a birthday celebration from one of my friends that I went to college with. I'm gonna show you how I did my hair and my makeup. Oh, excuse the dirty hamper right there, but anyway, I'm thinking I'm gonna use this one, the Born to Run, because you guys have been wanting me to show you how to use this one and what kind of like night makeup I would do. Okay, so we're gonna be mixing Weekender and Rip to make like a little light brown color. Oh yeah, that works perfect. It's a transition color. I'm gonna take Riff, which is this one, and put it all over my eyelid. When I do eyelid colors, I definitely prefer to do it with my finger. I don't know, I just feel comfortable doing it. Obviously, make sure your fingers are clean. That's looking cute. We're gonna grab this one that is called Good As Gone. Just darken it up, and if it looks bad we can just wipe it and pretend like nothing happened. So okay, they're sort of even now. There's this one called Smog, and it's like a little shimmery brown, so freaking cute. And that we're gonna put on our eyelids. Oh wow, that's pretty. So this is what I was picturing. Does not look cute, so let's just get rid of it. Wait until it dries out, blend it out. Sorry, never mind. Let's wait until it dries, and then I'm gonna grab the Weekender, which was a light one, and blend my mess that I just made. We're gonna grab that super dark one called Punk, and just be really careful with it. So my go-to when I'm going out is this one from ColourPop. It's called Millionaire. This like has some out of this world shine. Look at that. It's so sparkly. Oh yes, that is pretty. Except the fact that my eyeshadow is not blended out, and I'm sure it's bothering one of you out there. I'm gonna grab a clean brush actually to blend it out. The reason why I'm able to blend these is because it's an Urban Decay eyeshadow, which means they're super buttery, they're great quality. We definitely struggle. Just a matter of keep blending. And hopefully this can show you guys that even if you messed up your eyeshadow like really bad, you can always blend and it will look cute eventually. You just keep blending. There you go. So let's move on to face makeup. Our eyeshadow looks bomb now. Look at that. Wow. I was really worried I just made it like a really crappy quick tutorial. But honestly, now that I put on foundation, it looks pretty cute. Grab that Urban Decay palette, and I'm gonna do a Riff, which is this one that we did kind of like all over. Very last thing that we're gonna do with your eyes, we're gonna grab that one from ColourPop Millionaire, the super shiny one. And that is it. I'm gonna do my hair. I have no time left. Okay, did my hair and my makeup. I just did some very loose waves, and then I sprayed the triple sec from Drybar and fixed my bangs, and then I just got this thing that I DIY'd. It's from Goodwill, so I chopped it off with some scissors. Got this just simple black dress from H&M that I bought from Buffalo Exchange actually. So these two are thrifted. Actually, my whole outfit is thrifted. My shoes are from Buffalo Exchange too. So there you have it. A little night out outfit. I'm just gonna wear like a regular black purse, and that's it. There's no way to make me look cute. Today is Sunday. As you can see, I just woke up, made coffee, and we got Mr. Ollie right here. We're gonna give him a haircut, like right now.
My hair piles right under your leg. Up.
I'm making some progress. Ollie, look at me. He's so sad. Look at that tail. Ollie! We're gonna give him a bath now because he's full of hair. I just finished getting ready, so here is a little OOTD. I got my shorts from Uniqlo. I love wearing these during the summer. This cropped t-shirt is from Saks of Fifth, and they have a new line called Renvy, so I'm actually gonna do an Instagram post with this outfit because I'm promoting their new line. My shoes are from Target, and then my makeup is really simple. I'm honestly doing the same hair as yesterday because it still looks pretty cute. I wanted to talk about the lipstick that I'm wearing though. I received in the mail these little things from Buxom. This one is called the Pillow Pout. I like this because, well, I mean, the shade that I got is super natural. As you can see, I usually don't like to wear bold lipsticks because I think I look weird wearing lipsticks. Maybe it's just me. It's a matte powder that actually plumps your lips. It's the shade Soft Whisper. Do you want to show them? That's what he looks like. He looks so much better. It's definitely not scruffy anymore. I'm heading to Ross. I need to get 2 baskets because we decided to start doing this thing where we take our shoes shoot, I'm wearing my shoes. But decided to do this thing. We're not gonna wear shoes inside the house just to keep the place clean. So I figured it'd be cute if we have like a little basket so that when we come in, we can take our shoes off and see if we can find those. This one is pretty cute. I might take it. I also like this one down here, but I don't know which one I should take. This one is $11.99, which, I mean, it looks like a little box. And this one is a little more pricey. It's like $15.99, but it's like pretty cute. Oh yeah, I think I want to take this one. It's super cute. Definitely.
That's a nice peel.
Thank you. I found these chips with tahini, so naturally I had to get them. Very excited. My mouth is literally watering right now. I cannot wait until I get home to try these, so I want to do a little taste test. And I'm like kind of hungry too. Oh, they have chili powder on them. Okay, let's see. They're pretty good. Also, I spent like $48 in the whole thing. Like, I got the little chain bell, which I've been dying to get one. I got this huge, super cute basket, 2 pillows, and some chips for only $48 total. I was looking at pillows at Target yesterday and they were literally, kid you not, like $39 or $29 for one pillow. Yeah, no thank you. We're off to shoot some photos for the week. Got my little changes right here. I can't pose the same outfit all week. We're gonna go do that before the sun sets. Hi, it's a lot later in the day. It's, I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of point where it starts to become nighttime right now. We just got back home from shooting the photos. It took us like a good 3 hours, so it was a lot. But earlier today, I remember that I have a project due tomorrow that I definitely have not even started. It's, I'm sure you're gonna see it by the time this goes up, but it's for Dry Bar. And I'm gonna show you how I style my hair with Dry Bar. What is going on? What is English? I'm gonna show you how I style my hair with Dry Bar products, which I totally do. I love their stuff. It's just for Instagram stories, so I don't need to like bring out the big camera of anything, but I do need a ring light because like I said, it's getting dark. I just got out of the shower and put on a cute top, and now I'm gonna sit on that chair and film my little video. It's like a hair tutorial video. And then meanwhile, Chase is making dinner. This is what it looks like. We're making cute Mexican stuff. This is the final result. I didn't show you guys the process because I'm doing a blog post, so you guys wanted to know a little bit more Mexican recipes, and that is gonna be part of it. And we've been just like cooking and like making soup, making sauce and all that, so it got really hot in here, so I just, you know, had to look cute and comfortable. They're Mexican crepes. I don't know if I already said that. Oh my goodness, I am so tired and I look like I'm tired. Food was amazing, obviously. Now I'm in a food coma and I'm probably just gonna lay in bed, watch some TV and sleep because tomorrow's Monday and I have to go back to work. But thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed just hanging out with me for yet another weekend, and honestly can't wait for more vlogs. I think it's really fun. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.